Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph Lourdes. I'm back in the bar. Today I'm going to make a very famous drink. It's a world famous drink, cocktail drink. It's called Mojito, not Mojito. It was born in Havana, Cuba. So today I'm making two kind of mojitos. The one with rum, regular mojito. The other one I'm going to make the without alcohol. It's called virgin mojito. I'm going to make two variety of virgin mojito. One with fresh watermelon. The other one with fresh oranges. So I will start with the virgin mojitos first. So the first thing first, so I need the main ingredient is mint. So I'm starting with the mint. I have some mint here, so I'm going to take some mint leaf. So all 3 glasses I need mint anyway. So the virgin mojito and the mojito with rum. So about 5-6 leaves for each glass. So before I put it in, what I'm doing, I just do one clap and go around the glass rim like this. So the rubbing the rim, then what's going to happen is before they drink is when you come the mouth, before you come to the mouth, smell the mint, so they know this is the real mojito. So that's why I'm just rubbing on the rim. So the other glass now, so same thing. So then you rub the rim again like this. So it's nice, the mint flavor. So this is it. Then next ingredients is for all of them the same ingredients. The sugar. This is super fine sugar. You can buy from any grocery stores. So you need about 2 teaspoons each glass. So same way, and a little bit extra that for the orange one, that's okay. The watermelon one you don't need that much, so I put a little bit extra anyways. You can put about 2 teaspoons, 2 to 3, no problem. So the next ingredient is, so I'm going to use the lemon for my virgin mojitos and lime for regular mojito. So some people I saw, they use in not the fresh lemon juice, they using lemon juice, not for the fresh, but I like to use always the fresh. So this is lemon juice I'm using for the virgin mojito. So I'm using lemon for the virgin mojito. So lemon. Another one, I'm going to use lime. The lime for my regular mojito. So with I have a lime juice here. So this is lime. Same ingredient. See, so you can put a little extra for your with rum regular mojito. Alright, that's ready. So then the next thing for the regular one, so I'm starting with the just mud, just little smash. You don't smash too much. You don't want to break it apart. You just want to take only the smell out from the mint. So the same thing you're doing, little touch, little smash over here. So you're not breaking the part. So you just need a just flavor come out, just a smell. You want to take it, the nice mint smell. So then, so the watermelon one. So you have to add about the watermelon. So about at least like half a glass, because this is going to be only fresh, right? I'm not using any watermelon juice or anything. The next one I'm going to use orange juice, the fresh. Everything I like to use the fresh, but you don't have to use fresh. You can use by juice, orange juice. So I'm using the squeeze again. Okay, and that's it. That's about it. And the next for this one, so this one virgin mojito, watermelon, orange. This is my regular mojito with rum. So that one I'm going to use about 1.5 ounces of rum, the white rum. So you can use any kind of rum. So today I'm using a white rum. You can use dark rum, any kind of like Jamaican rum, or any kind of rum, but it has to be rum. So it's about 1.5 ounces. This is mine anyways. So then you're going to smash the watermelon first. You know to make juice. The watermelon juice. It's easy. See, if you think this is not enough, you can add more. No problem. So, and the same thing, you can buy watermelon juice, or you can make pre-made. So you can use the blender and make watermelon juice, and you can add juice. You don't have to do this. So when you smash in, you smash only the watermelon, not the mint. So this is watermelon. You did it. Okay. So now the next thing I have here, I have some crushed ice, and I have some ice cubes. So I'm going to add some crushed ice to the virgin mojitos. A little bit of crushed ice. I did not bring my big spoon. It's okay, I can manage. Some crushed ice, little more. So the other one, I'm going to do the same thing for the regular mojito. You're going to put some crushed ice, some ice cubes also. What's happening here? Ice cubes. And let's go for the orange. And this gives for my regular mojito. It's with rum. The next thing you're going to add, this is club soda. So you fill up with club soda. soda all the way to the top, like that. And the same thing with orange juice. Nice. So for the regular one, first I like to add some the Sprite. This is the Sprite, a little bit. Then I'm going to add club soda. Yeah, looks great. So mixed up a little bit, not too much. Same thing over here. I don't want to use the same spoon because that's virgin, so I'm going to make my other spoons. So this is watermelon, it's nice. Yeah, the mint leaf there, the orange juice one, this is orange. Yeah, this is fresh orange, so that's why if you want use the orange juice, the bottle juice, no problem at all. So then you're going to garnish with so watermelon one. I'm going to garnish with watermelon. Yeah, nice piece of watermelon. So I put it like this. And orange one, you can do with orange. So orange. And so the lime one, this one, the regular Mojito, I'm going to do with my lime. Take this, and like this. So then you need nice mint. So take 3 mint here and remove couple of leaves like this. So this is a lone glass, so you can add nice mint, and the other one, so you can remove couple of leaves here, and so nice. So this is for regular one. And the next last thing is straws. So it's the color there. You see, this is for watermelon one. This is for the orange one. This is for I will put blue for my regular one. So this is it. See how easy it is. Not take that much time. You don't need that much ingredients. You need for the regular mojitos, you need rum. You can use any kind of rum. Today I used Bacardi white rum, and so these varieties, virgin mojito, you can make with any varieties. Like today I use watermelon and orange. You can use mixed berries, mix fruit punch, or strawberry lemon. Actually, you can do dragon fruits too. Dragon fruit is very nice. So I like my anyways, I'm going to taste with my regular mojito. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and enjoy the drink. Cheers. Great. Perfect. Nice.